In this video, we will learn how to use the data analysis pack in Excel to do some descriptive analytics. In another video, we had looked at this example of univariate quantitative ungrouped data, order amount, and we learned how to use some Excel functions to calculate these various summary measures of descriptive analytics. So in this video, we will learn how to get most of these values using the data analysis pack. So the first thing we have to do is make sure the data analysis pack, which is an Excel add-in, is active. So if we click on data, we do not see data analysis pack active here. So let's learn how to make it active. So we go to file, we click on options, and then we click on add-ins, and we see that there are no active application add-ins right now. And in the list of inactive application add-ins, we have analysis tool pack. So we want to make this active. How to do that? We click on manage Excel add-ins, go, and analysis tool pack is not currently checked, so we check it. And as soon as we click on OK, we will see data analysis option appear here under data. So click on OK. So data analysis option is here. Now we can perform some data analysis on this data. So let's click on data analysis, and we get a dialog box which has many options related to statistics, ANOVA, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics. That's the one we are looking for. So we click on that. We can select the input range, which in this case is order amount. And since we included the label in the first row, let's check this box. Where do we want the output to appear? Let's say we want the output to appear here. What do we want? We want summary statistics, the summary measures. So let's click on OK. And in one shot, we have the summary measures for order amount, the mean, median, mode, mean 554, median 420, mode 400, standard deviation 338. We get the sample standard deviation, sample variance 1146. So exactly the same values we got here, we got all of them in one shot. So kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum, maximum, sum, and count, all these numbers we had here. Actually, one number we did not have was standard error, and this number is basically standard deviation, the sample standard deviation divided by square root of the count. So equal to sample standard deviation divided by square root of n. That's a standard error. So this number, standard error, is not used much by analytics professionals in practice, but it's used quite a bit by theoretical statisticians. So we will not get into the details of that value for now. So that's how we use the data analysis pack to do some descriptive analytics. Now, while we are here, we can see some of the other things we could have done with it. We could have done regression analysis. We could have done random number generation. We could have drawn a histogram. We could have done some ANOVA analysis. But for this video, we will not get into those things. But it's good to know the kinds of features that are available with the data analysis pack. And it's a free add-in. It's just not activated initially when you first install Excel, because most people don't use it. Most people don't even know about it. But now you know.